back to the channel. It's Sunday Fun Day, and today we're going up North Copper FSR to hit up Creek Trail. Along the way, we grind on some rocks and spin out on some slick stumps and roots. We're treated to some unplanned fireworks underneath Dave's green Comanche. So sit back and relax and enjoy the winds and veils of the day.
Oh, missed him completed. Look at that, didn't even use a winch. Yeah, we believe in you, Dave. Isn't that right, everyone, right? Yeah, let's get that on film. Yeah, there we go. A little more passenger, Dave. I think you want to get on that side of that stump there. It's that fucking stump right there. Yeah, that's it. Fuck. It's a tough corner, man. Fucking this clip up though, talking too much. Drive shaft, like Jeeps, man. Like Jeepers, creepers.
I'm almost seeing this line like right here from here.
Oh yeah, option here, option B. There's a rock. Yeah, we got Dave doing some gardening up there. Was that Sparks?
Silly day in the 30s.
They are pretty silly. Is that chromoly in that thing too?
On one side it does. Not
So-
the broken side.
Not
the broken side.
Oh shit. Woo. Oh yeah, there's a good view of it. Yeah, it's your Jeep thing that you don't understand all the plastic parts that they put inside of your fucking universal joints and axle shafts. And...
Good thing I got a diff for him at home.
Oh yeah, there's a nice fucking souvenir there too. Yeah.
The rock and caught at the same time and like the king.
Yeah, definitely would benefit from that though, man. My first gen had carburation, and like no matter what carb, no matter what I did, it just always did this.
Yeah.
You had to be like operating the throttle with my hand. Oh yeah. Nice. Yeah. Ow! Fucking hell yeah. not in my... Woo! Yeah, there he goes. Super nice craft. Yeah, it's minty. Just that feeling, right? Yeah, right there. I might try drive over it. Pretty awesome.
Because I forgot all about it, so I was like, well, I'll take the cut trail down.
Yeah.
Nice from the
Look
front.
at him, I know, man. I'm just like the depth. I see the shadows behind Yeah, I've seen him out a few times.
Well, that's what they're from, and they seem good so far. For the price. Passenger. Straight ahead, yep. That way a little bit. Straight there. Yeah, buddy. Fuck yeah, Luke.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. Congratulations, you unlocked our 4x4 playlist. So go ahead, click on it. I dare you. Thanks so much for watching.